In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch your website using Framer's free hosting. If you've been working hard on designing your website in the Framer editor, you're in the right place to make it live on the internet. So let's dive straight into it. To start with, ensure that your website design is completely finished inside the Framer editor. Take a moment to review each page, ensuring every element is perfectly placed and refined. This initial preparation is essential because once your site is live, you want it to present a polished appearance to your audience. Double-check your text, images, and links to ensure everything functions smoothly and maintains the design aesthetic you've worked so hard to create. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to move to the website settings, an area you can easily access right at the top of your screen. When you're there, focus on the left-hand menu and select the domain section. This step is crucial. Here, you'll configure your site's domain to ensure it's uniquely identifiable online, making it easy for your visitors to find and revisit. Inside the custom domain area, you will notice an option labeled Get a Free Framer Domain. By clicking on it, you'll be directed to a screen where you have the opportunity to create a unique name for your website. Remember, this name will automatically generate a Framer subdomain that ends with framer.website. This is a straightforward step, but it's an important one. Take this opportunity to think about a domain name that not only reflects your brand, but is also easy for your audience to remember and associate with your content. Once you've entered your desired name, you'll need to check if it's available by simply clicking on the check mark beside it. It's a quick and easy check, and once confirmed, your URL will be set up, ready to launch online. The final step in this process is undoubtedly the most exciting, hitting the Publish button. Once activated, your website is live and accessible to the world. If your site has been published before and you're updating it with new designs or information, a simple click on Update will refresh the live site with all your latest changes. Before you fully wrap up, open the link to preview your website's live version. It's a valuable last step that allows you to make sure everything appears and functions exactly as you intended, providing visitors with a seamless and impressive experience. And there you have it. Your site is now fully launched using Framer's free hosting. Congratulations on your successful launch into the web world. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.